Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of College Dekho videos. Today, we are at the cultural hub of India and the city of joy, Kolkata. A throbbing business and education hub, Kolkata is also famous for its heritage, tourism and culinary treats. Let's embark on a journey to explore the JIS University, located at Agarpara in Kolkata. Founded in 2014 under the JIS University Act 2014, JIS University aims to foster growth of higher education, research, entrepreneurship development and skill development.
This is a government-approved university as well as approved by the University Grants Commission. We are not trying to impart the traditional way of education, but we are trying to become innovative.
We have well-equipped laboratories and facilities to provide engineering programs at our university in biotech, electronics and communication, computer science and engineering, and information technology.
All courses offered at JIS University are accredited by National Board of Accreditation and has, to its credit, 160 funded research projects from agencies like DST, DBT, DRDO and CSIR, etc.
The reason I opted JIS University was when I was searching randomly for universities and colleges, I came here and the faculty impressed me, the environment and the teachers here present were very good.
The sprawling campus with dedicated departmental infrastructure makes JIS University a coveted place to study. The Computer Science and Engineering department at JIS University transcends boundaries, enabling multiple disciplines with the best facilities and globalizing economics and workforces.
It's a new university, new department, but old senior-most faculties. Students are given the ample opportunity to learn the best of the technologies like the extended Javas, scriptologies, image processing and other fields of the like automation, system engineering and various fields of the highest domain.
The Biotechnology department ensures academic flexibility with arduous project work and seminar presentations.
Our aim is to create the research facilities by which we can empower our students with the latest technologies and make them job ready for the latest market.
Founded in 2015, the Physics department at JIS University ensures expertise in all aspects of physics as well as in related interdisciplinary areas.
Well, physics as a subject has been always fascinating, and I think at JIS University we are successful enough to have a syllabus that is at par with the other premier institutes of the country, and we have introduced some advanced courses that will help the student get a bigger picture. JIS University is a private university and we are at our liberty to frame the syllabus, which is quite competent enough compared to others.
Pharmaceutical technology is increasingly becoming interdisciplinary and occupying its position at the essential point of various scientific queries due to its assortment. The Pharmacy department at JIS University provides high-level quality teaching along with highly sophisticated instruments to cultivate curious and inventive scholars.
We have dissolution rate test apparatus, we have equipped with UV visible spectrophotometers, we have equipped with flame photometers. We have a unique to this department is a museum and medicinal plants garden.
Business Management course is designed to produce purposeful leaders for different business of the new market and contribute to all sectors of society.
Keeping in mind the industry requirements, we have kept regular interactions with the industry stalwarts through our academic industry interface programs.
The first thing is the entrepreneurship development cell. In this cell, we provide entrepreneurship training to people, and also we provide entrepreneurship camps so that these students will have a proper training about entrepreneurship. We have a training and placement cell so that students will have a lot of new ideas as to how they can crack the interviews and also do better in future.
Enhanced analytical skills, awareness, and sensitivity to ethical issues in business are some of the key motives of the department.
We are the first institute in Eastern India to introduce a spiritual laboratory or spiritual study center where, irrespective of religion, we try to imbibe the feeling of spirituality in each and every student.
The courses offered at the School of Juridical Sciences at JIS University has been designed to enable students attain niche skills depending on their individual inclinations.
We take them to regular industrial tours as well as court tours, and on our panel we have various eminent jurists and judges as our advisors and external evaluators.
In addition, regular moot courts, debates, seminar, court visits, Lok Adalats and legal aid camps are organized by the school to foster overall development.
We have a good mixture of faculties from the National Law School as well as the traditional law schools. In our university, we have introduced 2 credit courses. One is in consumer laws and another is in human rights laws.
Here, students and teachers come together and perform brainstorming sessions on how the world actually works. To be honest, I don't think there are much universities in the Eastern India that give this much amount of privileges to students.
Besides these, JIS University also has other departments like Department of Mathematics, Department of Chemistry, Department of Geology. Not just academics, JIS University also lays emphasis on the holistic development of its students and provides infrastructure in terms of workshops, seminars, conferences, guest lectures and extracurricular activities like sports and cultural programs like Freshers Party, Department Fests and Annual College Fest.
Life in our JIS University is fantastic. We are always surrounded by extracurricular activities like fun programs, recreations, cricket matches, football matches, badminton matches, etc.
University, we want to impart a kind of education which will produce the graduates who will be comparable to the best in the world. They will become the world leaders. They will be good citizens. They should be capable of managing the challenges of this 21st century and face this changing world,
Visit collegedekho.com to discover, prepare and achieve admission to your dream college.